These are the Procky 1 foot USB-C to C cables. It's a 2-pack, but my kid already stole one. We like these little short ones for inside the vehicle, and it's going to be really quick. I'll show you. This fits very well in our phone. This part of it's really, it's a good hard case. This is rubberized, but it's a hard rubber, so it's going to last, not break quickly. Then you have the bendy part, which is going to protect your cable for a long time. I think this is really well constructed. And then of course you have the cable, which again is very well constructed. The data transfer speed on this is 480 megabits per second.